Gavumenti Jackson Kafuzi yayanjurisha engyero lihanga mulingo gw'ekitongole ky'ebyokutera kalulu kiriyo nikikoramu emirimo yakyo ey'okwechebera hamwe n'okwehandikisa omu kitabo ky'ebyakalulu omu kwetebekanisiza akalulu k'omwaka gw'E2026.
To mobilize up to the lowest level, informing the masses about the exercise. This includes information about the location of the update stations. The Commission is also using community radios or Chizindaro to publicize the exercise. The Commission is conducting the exercise using kits provided by the National Identification and Registration Authority, NIRA. The total number of kits deployed for this exercise are 2,703 kits. Our need was 5,000 kits. The distribution has been made based on the sub-counties except for Kampala, Capital, Wakiso and Mukono districts, which have been allocated additional kits per parish or wards.
Ekintu eki kyaletera abanyishengyero ku lw'omu mbeera bayetombwetera ekitongole eki ngu emirimo nibagikora binkwatiire ki.
Observation number one was that it's one old machine that was being used with all the parish electoral officers seated waiting for the same machine. Number two was that there was no register that was delivered to the polling station.
That we had agreed with those people not to make people get tired of the exercise, because people coming there very early in the morning and spend the whole day there, and in the evening they are told to go back because they are only working on 50 people, will make people hate the exercise.
Orukuru olubaza olukakanisa gavumenti Joel Osenyonyi yahakanisa ebyagamba omuhwerereza wa gavumenti Jackson Kafuzi bwe byagamba byonna ekitongole terina kibakozere nangwa na kimwe.
Honorable Speaker, the process has not commenced in many places, including here in Kampala, where the Electoral Commission is headquartered. So I'm now thinking about deep rural places. In Abim, I am thinking about Bupadengo, Moyo, deep in Kabale, and so on and so forth. It is the worst of situation.
Ahantu hori omuhezi wa Speaker w'ishengyero lihanga Right Honorable Thomas Taibwa yaragira akakiiko ka gavumenti akarukora aha nshonga z'ebiragiro okushutama n'ab'ebitongole byona ebikujunaanizibwa okukora omurimo ogu niko barugenda ripoota erikushobora aha nshonga egi.
We've had issues, okay, which are going even beyond the Electoral Commission. We have questions from UBOS. You came, you told us we procure these expensive kits. They are going to be used. Where are they? Why aren't you deploying them? We have NIRA, okay? Where you say you're starting this exercise, the kits are ready, and they are going to also be helping in voter registration. We are having very many issues here and there, which I believe the Attorney General here will not sit down and answer and comprehend fully. So, Chairman of the committee, you have up to Monday to provide us a report so that on Tuesday this matter can go on the order paper, and now we discuss it comprehensively.
Gagasha Corona Dengabirano, our Sky TV against Strong.